All right, this lesson is going to start our discussion on the MAD. So the mean absolute deviation, or the MAD, is actually a number that represents a data set. The MAD is the average of each number's distance from the mean of the set of data. So the definition is complicated, but it's really actually easy to determine if we follow some steps. So step one is going to be to find the average or the mean of our data set. Once we've done that, we have to calculate the absolute value of each data point's distance from the average. So we're going to actually find out what the difference is between the mean and each piece of data in our set. Once we've found all those differences, we're actually going to calculate the mean of those differences. You're going to create a chart similar to kind of what we're going to do today, just to help you be able to kind of calculate and find your MAD pretty easily. So we have student A and student B. We're going to actually calculate the MAD for each of these. So for student A, we actually first need to calculate the mean. So if we get our sum, 85 plus 89 plus 82 plus 78 plus 89, we get a sum of 423. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test scores. So we're going to divide by 5. And we get a mean of 84.6. So what I've done for you is created a table. In the first column, I put all the different pieces of data, the 5 test scores. In the second column here, you're going to just insert the 84.6 because that's our mean. So what we're going to do then is go through here and we're going to do a subtraction problem. So we're going to do 85 minus 84.6, and that's a difference of 0.4. In the next one, 89 minus 84.6 is going to give us a difference of 4.4. In this one, 84.6 is bigger, so we're going to start with it because we want this to be a positive number, and we're going to get a difference of 2.6. Same thing, 84.6 minus 78 is going to give us a difference of 6.6, and 89 minus 84.6 is going to give us a difference of 4.4. So what we do now is we take all of these differences and we actually sum them together. So 0.4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4.4 plus 2.6 plus 6.6 plus 4.4 gives us a sum of 18.4. So all of our differences together are 18.4. We still only have 5 pieces of data, so to calculate the mean, we take 18.4 divided by 5, and we get 3.68 for our MAD. Student B, we're going to do the same thing. So 70 plus 85 plus 72 plus 95 plus 83. It's going to give us a sum of 405. Student B also has 5 test scores, so our average is going to be 81. So 81. This one's going to be a little bit easier to calculate differences. 70 and 81, our difference is 11. 85 and 81 is 4. 72 and 81 is 9. 95 to 81 is going to be 14. And the last one's 2. So sum them together and we get 40 here. Our count is still 5, so in this case our MAD is 8. We're going to actually use these 2 pieces of information in the next lesson. Then we're going to talk about what do the MADs actually do for us, what can we compare. But today's lesson is just about basic calculations of them. Take a look at example 2. Sherry just registered for her wedding. So far 6 items have been fulfilled on her registry. Find the mean price of the fulfilled items. So to find the mean, 29 plus 58 plus 15 plus 129 plus 75 plus 22. 328 for our sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divide by 6, and we get 54.67. We're going to round to the nearest hundredth here. So to find our MAD, this is our mean, so we need to go through and calculate all of our differences. So to make my life a little bit easier, sometimes I do write down 29, 58, 15, 129, 75, and 22. So what we'll do is we'll take and we'll calculate 54.67 minus 29. It's a difference of 25.67. And And 58 minus 54.67, so 3.33. 54.67 minus 15, 39.67. 129 minus 54.67, so 74.33. 75 minus 54.67 is 20.33. And 54.67 minus 22. Okay, that's 32.67. So we take all these differences and we have to add them together. So this is just a lot of calculator work, unfortunately, this lesson. 39.67 plus 20.33 plus 32. So I got a total of 196 here for our differences. So we take that and divide by 6. So her MAD is 32.67. Example 3, family A and family B both have 8 people. The ages are listed below. Find the MAD. So I'm going to say this side is family A. This side is family B. I'm going to have you pause the video and then come back and check your answers. And if you want to take a look, there's family A so far. All right, and there is family B.